There we go, A-Rob. You can still kill switch. You hear that? Ironically, the speed limit on this road is 25. Circle wheelies. Oh, it's so fun. I don't know what that was. KS2 YouTube Kanala. Yo guys, what's going on? Thanks for checking out the video. Today we have a old channel favorite back, Mr. Owen. If you watched in the past, I used to have a 250. We would ride together a lot, but I got rid of the gas bikes. So today we're riding with Owen. We got A-Rob rides with his new fresh Supermoto wheels. It's Sunday, birds play today, so we got the jersey on, but we're gonna rip it. Oh, I forgot we gotta stop for Owen, the legal guy. I'm already forgetting. Guys, this is a total legal ride. Owen's a law-abiding citizen. There we go, A-Rob. Getting used to the sumos, the milk racing sumos. They look fire. Gotta pay our respects to the Dizzer, too. Are you having fun?
Yeah, dude.
Hell yeah, dude.
Feels good. It's not too cold.
Yeah, guys, we're feeling good. Been a little bit since we've been on the bike, as I feel like every video, because we've been so busy. Job stuff, work stuff, you know the vibes, but we're back now, baby. Razor will be back next video, I promise. I got a chain, it was the wrong size chain, so I couldn't freaking do the video on the Razor that I wanted to, but that will be coming very soon. I know a lot of you guys are excited about that. Also, hopefully the ETM RTR very soon as well. Really got to change your riding style when you're riding with someone who rides legal, allegedly. All right, I think we're gonna go up to MLK, or that area at least. Oh yeah. It is pretty cold out now. Winter is properly here. You see fast how much quicker we get around on these, right?
Wait till we get on the Schuylkill.
Dude, I'll take the Dizzer on the Schuylkill. Dude, you know what the best part is though? You can still kill switch. Fresh battery though. I just don't know if I could go back to all the rule following, huh?
It's so fun having an engine.
But listen to this. You hear that? Keeping up with the Dizzer. This is where he shines. Alex is all the way back there. Yeah, guys, I miss my 250 every now and then. Honestly, I miss it just like if I was riding with Owen, I'd ride the 250. But other than that, dude, this Talaria, the e-bikes are so convenient. Like, we could still do this. A-Rob is definitely cruising back behind us, but this type of riding isn't that fun on this bike. I will be the first to admit it. Ironically, the speed limit on this road is 25 too. Oh, whoa, whoa. I think A-Rob quit. Woo, it's windy. Yep, Dizzer's all the way up there. He's got us beat on this. This isn't fun. No, it is not. And it is cold as hell. We'll get the tunnel sound here for Owen. We lost A-Rob. He probably didn't want to kill his battery. Yeah, I think we're gonna come back down towards the city now. All right, just look at my location. Do a wheelie! Circle wheelies. Oh, it's so fun. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if DRZ 400 and Talaria XXX necessarily are like the most meshed bikes when it comes to riding together, but you can do it, especially if you got a 72-volt battery from Shy. Use code ConnorG. Cruising. Let's get some left-hand one-handers. Drive. Just constant range anxiety when you ride like this. Owen says he thinks this is like Mario Kart here. Thankfully for me, there's a lot of traffic. Come on, guys, everyone knows what sounds better. Yeah! Yeah, guys, e-bikes are not going to replace gas bikes for this type of riding, is all I'm going to say. Long distance travel? No. We're out of the city now, though. My bald tires, woo! If I had supermotors, this would be fun. Whoa! Woo! So windy, I'm sure you guys just hear plenty of wind. Sorry about that. Here. Oh, damn, we should have went in there. Missed opportunity. And back to Kelly. Little merge action here. That's what a 72 volt can get you guys. Oh my God, it's windy. I don't know what that was. What does that mean? That thing sounds pretty sick though. I thought it was a freaking sport bike coming up on us. That's what an electric bike sound is in a tunnel. Hey, give me that exhaust. Give me that exhaust. When I'm taking turns like this, I remember how bald my rear tire is. I'm gonna downshift. Yeah, buddy. This is still fun, despite the fact that my battery gets killed. My hands are cold. I'm trying to warm up. Oh yeah. Oh, the lawbreaker, Owen. Hold up, he's got an Insta 360 on it too. Sorry, Owen, I had to quick inspect. Oh, FCO7. What's up? You got a channel?
Yeah.
Nice, what's it called?
I don't know no English.
Oh, no English? Okay. KS2 YouTube Canala.
Instagram. Visto.
Okay, okay.
G.
G, okay. G?
G.
Yeah?
G. Yes, 09.
Okay, I'll check it out.
Thank you.
Okay, adios. You guys like my Spanish there? It's probably like, where did Connor go? Connor was on a side quest, sorry, Ellen. But Connor is back now. He's right up here. I can tell because his tail light doesn't work. Ready? I'll sneak up on Ellen. He can't even hear me. I had to go say hi to that random dude with a Insta 360. Well guys, this has been a fun random video. Alex, my apologies that we lost you, but once you get a 72 volt, you can hang. But sorry, bad. I understand trying to save the battery and actually ride. This was kind of just a quick random ride that Owen and I threw together here. So as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We have so many videos coming, tons of Razor content coming, and we're almost to 100K. So if you guys could sub, it would be insanely appreciated. It's really cool looking back because riding with Owen reminds me back when I had like 1,000 subs, and that was only like a year and a half ago. So super cool stuff. Otherwise though, guys, I'll catch you next time. That van just scraped like a mofo. Peace.